We are back with Chainsawman, episode 4. On the last episode, Power was moving real oppy. She was moving oppy, man. It's oppy outside. But we met a bat demon, a bat devil, whatever you want to call it. Denji started giving him the work. He ate Power and Meowie, but Denji had to go in there and cut out his guts, so they probably gonna be straight. But Power can't be moving like that no more. She can't be moving like that no more. Next time Denji gonna really have to do something to you. He gonna have to do something to you. We not moving like that. What else happened on that last episode? I think the whole episode was just about that. It was just about Power and Denji. Power betrayed him, but I guess they have something they can relate to now, because before Power was like, I can't relate to you. You a human. Apparently she ain't know that he was Chainsawman, so now she knows. She better start moving different. But yeah, before we get into the video, like, comment, subscribe, all that. Full version is on Patreon. Link is in the description. That's all there is to it, man. Now, let's see what this episode has for us. We might get another flashback about Power, not gonna lie. I wonder if there's more to her. Like, why was she alone in the forest, and why did she look all scratched up and beat up? Hopefully we get some information on that now. Dang, we only got 8 episodes left after this one. Crazy. Time moving fast. But without further ado, let's get into the video. Oh, she was munching on them birds. Oh my gosh. Jeez, she munching on these things. Taking out the bear is crazy. He ain't do nothing to you. But I guess you gotta eat. Boy, you don't even want to know where I thought she was eating from. You don't even want to know where I thought she was eating from. Yeah. Don't even play with me no more. I'm him. I'm him. He about to cop him a field. Denji said by any means. Oh yeah, I wonder if he gonna take it up. He got to. Denji is stupid. What the hell? Oh, it's not over yet. What is this? Damn, that looks so painful. You might not even be able to do it. Damn, this is not gonna go well. What did you want with him? He had a shawty? That's crazy. Back up, gang. Yeah, that can't slide. Yeah, he don't play about the titties, bro. He gonna cop him a field or die trying. Nah, he laid a beat down on her though. But yeah, he done. Aki, pull up. Aki, pull up. I'm like that. I'm just not at my purest form. That was never gonna happen. Okay, at least y'all know that wasn't gonna happen. Come on, gang. Yo, straight like that. Denji's stupid, bro. His character is so real. That's what I like about him, bro. That's what I like about him. He don't have some grand dream of becoming the freaking president or the greatest fighter on earth. That man just wants to play. That's all he wants. But he moving though. Uh-oh, what you about to do? Are we pulling Empire Strikes Back? Damn, he get it pieced up. Oh, is his eye popping out of his head? Oh my gosh, put your eye back in, please. Did that do it? Oh no. Power, if you don't get your ass up. There we go. Finally. It's about time we pulled up.
こいつは昼の悪魔だね。飲み込んでいい？よし。
This dude got a demon dog. It's not even a full dog, it's just the head. What in the summoning jutsu? That was cold, bruh. We knew that. Okay, it's a fox. You a dickhead. Hey, that's your real one though. He ain't gonna snitch. Okay, they spreading a good word about my boy. Yeah. He's really like a mix of Shikamaru and who else would he be a mix of? Part of me wants to say Kageyama. Part of me wants to say Kageyama from IQ. That's what he's a mix of. Looks wise. Why are you crawling on the floor, bro? Nah, you not pulling up to my crib like that. You could have got stabbed for real. Makima hold him. Makima hold him. If I'm Aki, I'm heated. Nah, he eat it. She got everybody wrapped around her finger, bro. No! Hey, nah, that's crazy. Boy, you been getting that tub. I ain't finna play with you. They got a common enemy. That's crazy, son. I'd be so tight. Can't even have my own crib anymore. She's so stupid, bro. Oh, say less. Oh, say less. We on go time. Oh, we on go time. We on go time. Denji about to die. Yo, chill. Don't get me banned or nothing, bro. Don't get me banned or nothing. Chill. He not even gonna be able to. What are the stipulations? Go to town, Denji. I ain't even gonna hold you, bro. Oh, that's how the episode is. Oh, that's crazy. Wow, 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 wow. That boy Denji was getting to it, man. That boy Denji about to get to it. I ain't even gonna hold you back, my boy. Do what you do. But yo, I don't know about Makima, bro. Every time I see her, I'm getting a different vibe. I can't trust her. I don't trust her. I don't. But maybe that's just the way her character is designed to be. Like, when it comes down to it, the job is the job, and I don't care how cool you thought we were. I'm gonna handle business. So that's probably what her character is. Maybe I'm thinking about it too hard. But yo, Aki, I'm praying for you, boy. You got your hands full. You got your hands full. You got 2 devils locked up in your place now, and you ain't got a choice. That's tough. That's tough. But yo, another good episode. That fight was kind of crazy at the beginning though, cause I wasn't expecting Denji to last as long as he did. Like, he was still putting in solid work, and he couldn't even get a chainsaw out of his head all the way. He didn't even have one come out of his arm, and his other arm got ripped off. So I did not anticipate him lasting that long in that fight. He went way longer than I expected him to. So that just goes to show how much these devils really enhance your abilities when you join forces with them. And then we even see that Aki also has a pact with the devil too. And they said that this time it took a little bit of his skin. It took a little bit of his skin in exchange. It wasn't even a full thing. It was just like the head. If I'm remembering correctly, it was just the head, and it just munched on Shawty. That was crazy. But yeah, if Aki can do that and only have to give away a little bit of skin, who knows what's out there, what they're exchanging in return for the power. Like, it's literally like summoning jutsus on crack. It's like summoning jutsus on crack. That's basically what it is. So yo, I also remember they said something about there was no signs of gun flesh, I think. So maybe they're referring to maybe a gun devil. If there's a gun devil, there's gotta be. If there's a chainsaw man, then there's probably a gun devil. So maybe I read that wrong, but maybe that really is like an actual entity. And he probably nasty too. Actually, I think they have mentioned a gun devil before. So if that's the case, then he probably raw. He probably cold, or she. They probably cold. They probably lethal. I don't even want to know what they look like. I don't even want to know the extent of their power. Cause dang, boy. If Denji was able to do what he just did with half a chainsaw coming out his face, not even full power, I can only imagine what somebody like a gun devil could do at full strength. So that's something to look forward to. That's something I really look forward to now. Is that there are different devils, and it's like they are so much more enhanced. Like, they're so durable. It's crazy. And I also want to see what power does when she's at full strength, because we only got a glimpse of her power when she used it in episode 2 when she killed that little, what was it, sea cucumber devil. But yeah, we definitely got to see more from her power, because she literally uses her blood. So that's gonna be cold too. But yeah, man, good episode, great episode, even very entertaining. Something of every variety in this episode. I like that. We are 4 weeks in. Yeah, we're 4 weeks in. We got 8 weeks left of season 1 of Chainsawman. I'm excited to see how many more different endings we get, man. Because there's one for every episode. The visuals going crazy on each and every one. Mappa really outdid themselves on the animation on this. Like, I'm not sure I've seen them do a style like this The closest thing I could say was Inuyashiki, but Inuyashiki was like heavy on CGI. This one, it's more, even if it is a lot of CGI in this one, it's blended. I don't know if I should say blended better. I guess I could say blended better, because Inuyashiki was heavy on the straight CGI. Like, you could see the difference between the two. But yeah, great episode. Great episode. I'm excited to see where we go from here. That's it for now. Like, comment, subscribe, all that. Full version on Patreon. You know what it is. Go rock with it. Link in the description. Go rock with the other videos on the channel. Go see some you ain't seen yet if you're new here. And that's it for now. I'll see you on the next reaction.